If you have a ton of different files and folders stored on your Google Drive and it's taking up all of your space and you would like to know what are the largest files on your Google Drive so that you could potentially remove them to free up some space on your Google Drive, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So once you're inside Google Drive, guys, all you have to do is click the storage button on the left hand side, or let's say the upper or lower left hand side. Click on the storage, and from here you can see how many space has been taken up and how many free space you have. Now below that you have a section that says files using drive storage. Now if you look here, you can see the files that taking up your space. So you can see from the highest all the way down to the lowest files, and by default this should be the way how it is set, from the biggest or the largest to the smallest. However, if it's not the case, you can use this button here to click it, and you can see what are the files that are, let's say, the least, and you can also click it again to see what are the largest files. So if you're looking to find what files are the largest files on your computer so that you can clean up your drive and so that you can delete some files, this is how you can check the largest files on your drive so that you can make space. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.